Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Bookworms and literature lovers, welcome to Tome, your personal reading companion. Join me on this beginner guide as we navigate the basics and uncover how Tome can enhance your reading experience with its intuitive features and AI-driven insights. So guys, let's start. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So first of all guys, go ahead and open your browser and go to tome.app. So after you open this app, as you can see here, well, you simply next thing you should do is to go ahead and click on get started. So as you can see here, there's this website that's got everything that explains the actual thing for us, but for the moment we're simply gonna use it just like that. So click on get started and then click on continue with Google. After we did that, we will be able to sign in using an account of ours that we have as Gmail account. Now after we click on continue, the process of registration will be done and the dashboard should be created. So let's start with generate with AI, or let's start with something like from here. So let's start something from like the basics, which goes to recent. So go here on the dashboard, go to recent and then go to import documents. So import documents, it will allow you to import documents from Google Docs. So as you can see here, as we can do, we can go to our Google Docs and import documents. There's also start from blank, so you can start from a blank page. So here this AI will literally help you to do a lot of things that we're gonna explain in this video, starting here. So you can here as you can see, rename tome, copy tome link, share, etc. But if we went down after that, as you can see, these are the things that you can use. So first of all, there is these things. Let me just remove this one. All right, so there we go. You can create presentation about something. As you can see right here, we can literally create a whole presentation about something. There is create page about something, document to presentation, generate image, upload media, search image from web, add text title, add table tile, add GFI tile, Figma tile, etc. So let's start here. As you can see on this page, at the moment I don't have a premium account, which means these pro things that we have here will not be allowed for me to be used. Now for the pro version, these are the benefit that you're gonna get. So first of all, Tome Pro, persuasive presentations but faster. So this pro plan will give you AI generation and design, a limited creation at up to 5 tomes left for the moment for me. Remove tome branding, since each time you create something using Tome as free version, you will have like a watermark of Tome, but since you are going to get the pro version, you can get that to be removed. After that, you have a custom logo and fonts and engagement analytics, and you can export it to PDF. Now these are the essential stuff that you can see right here. Now let's try to do stuff in this area. So first of all, let's try uploading an image. So I'm going to upload this image from Kimetsu no Yaiba as an example, and here we can literally create sliders, create pages, and create stuff as we want. We can even move this around, we can drag it to the left and do whatever we want with it. We can even click on here and we can change a lot of stuff within the image itself. So let me just drag it back where it was. So here we go. Let me just drag it to the left, or to the right, I mean. So here, I guess it should be here. Yeah, something like that. Here for the fill, I want it to be filled. Adjust, and let's adjust it to be somewhere like that. And yeah, this is done. So here we can add, for example, text, and we can say that this one is basically an alternative of PowerPoint. Since PowerPoint, for example, title, since PowerPoint, sometimes you will not find the Microsoft tools between your hands, you cannot pay for it, you cannot really have them between your hands, and you do not want to use Canva, but you want to use something that has AI within it. Even though Canva has an AI within it, but sometimes it's not really that professional to use Canva, or you want for some reason to use Tome and try it out. Well, it is a very good thing, since first of all, you are going to use it on a browser, and unlike PowerPoint, when you don't have the original version, then you have to download the crack, and the crack might affect your PC, since you will have, for example, a chance to get DDoS or virus within your PC, and that can cost you your whole PC. So this is a very interesting thing. Now here, these are the things that you can add into the actual presentation. So here we can add images, which we have added. Here we can add shapes, so we can add here any shape that we want, like triangle, square. We can even adjust them to be the shape that we want, and we can move them around to the area where we want them to be. And do not miss, guys. So let me just, for example, here, for example, if I want to move this image in here, I can do that as well. I can do a lot of stuff here, guys, here. Also within here, we can find a chart, so we can literally create a whole graph into these templates, and we can literally view a chart. Of course, the details about it and the options, we can simply click on these 3 points right here, which are the parameters, and we can add types, the appearance, the graphs, and where we want each line to be. And we can literally upload an Excel sheet or an Excel file that could be the details or the data of this graphs, and then we simply it's gonna simply adjust to this Excel file. So it's gonna be very easy. And in case you guys didn't have an Excel file, then there is an alternative. Since we are talking here about an alternative for PowerPoint, that means you don't have Microsoft tools. That means you don't even have the access to Excel. So to be more logical, you will not have the access to the CSV file. Well, don't worry, since you have a Gmail account, you will be able to go ahead and create a Google Sheet. A Google Sheet is basically an Excel sheet just made by Google. So you can find it inside your browser, you can use it for free, and there will not be any charges on the top of it. You can simply use it, export it, and put the details in it, of course, export it, and then upload it and import it into your graph right here. And this graph should be adjusted to what the actual file will have to be adjusted to. Now also there is here some kind of more tiles, so you can add, for example, a GIF file. So we can paste here the link of the GIF and it should be added. There is also Miro, Framer, Twitter, Figma, Airtable, Looker, and Beatcode if you wanted. And finally, where is the theme? We can literally change the theme. We can change the dark theme into something else. We can even change a specific page or anything within it. So here, for example, let's change it to something like lights, and as you can see, the theme has been changed. There is moss, there is ocean, and there is a lot of themes that you can choose from. Of course, this is limited for us since we are using the free version. In case you would like to go for the premium version, you would have even more things. And once you are done with this page, you can literally just go ahead and create a new page just by clicking on the button which is on the right on the left button corner, as you can see, and you can choose whatever style of page you would like to. And yeah, guys, this is basically it. This is Tome. This is how you can use it, and this is a beginner guide. This is how you can navigate throughout this website and how you can create new pages and new projects within it. So guys, that was it for the video. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.